Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money with Printify and Etsy. Before diving in, what is Printify? Printify is one of the best print-on-demand platforms, and this basically means all you'll need to do is upload your design, and from there you can start selling. So for example, if you have ever had the idea to start selling t-shirts, coffee mug, any product at all, as there's a wide catalog of products that you can add your design to, Printify is the platform for you. And here's the major feature of doing this. You don't have to worry about shipping and delivery. You don't have to worry about customer care or anything like that. All you need to do is upload your design, and then from there, once you start getting sales, it's just passive income. And with Etsy, it is one of the most popular marketplaces. In fact, if we were to do a quick search, you can see that the Etsy platform is getting millions of views per month. In fact, they are getting over 423 million visitors per month, and majority of their visitors are staying on the platform for at least 5 minutes, and also most of their visitors tend to come from tier 1 countries. So if we were to scroll down, you can see majority of their visitors are either from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, or Australia. So tier 1 countries basically means countries with higher spending rate. So that means that majority of these visitors tend to go onto Etsy to spend money. And that's what we want, right? As we are doing this to make money. So the first thing you'll need to do is create an account on Printify. You can do this for completely free. I will also be showing you a platform by the name of Canva, which you can use to come up with your design. The first thing I would normally recommend you do after creating your Printify account, so you're going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. After you have created your account, you're going to go onto Etsy, and if you don't have an account as yet, you can create an account for completely free also by using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Shop Manager in the top right hand corner, and from there you can tap on Shop Preferences, and you can select your shop language, shop country, and shop currency. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Save and Continue, and from here you can give your shop a name. Then you're going to select Stock Your Shop. After doing that, you're going to go back into Printify, tap right where you see Dragon Ball Z in my top left hand corner. Then from there, you're going to tap on Add New Store, and you're going to select Etsy. After selecting Etsy, you will be redirected to a new page, and from there you just need to give them authorization. So you're going to tap on Grant Access. Once it has been connected, as you can see right here, it is now time to start designing our products. So you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on Catalog, and you can see there is a wide variety of options that you can choose from. But before diving in, I recommend that you do some market research. So we're going to go back onto Etsy, and for example, you can see this tote bag right here. You can create designs like this in no time using Printify and Canva. So you can see different examples right here, and this is getting a lot of views, and a lot of persons are purchasing this bag, as you can see right there. There's also different options that you can choose from. For example, fall is upon us. You can see different fall options that you can choose from by scrolling down, different designs or so on that you can come up with. You can also go onto fall shirts, and you can see right here this shirt right here with the skeletons dancing. You can come up with similar sweatshirts like this, or you can go onto fall sweatshirts and you can look on different options, as you can see right here. For example, you can see an option right here. This one looks good. So all we'll need to do to create our design, we're going to go onto canva.com, and you can sign up onto Canva for completely free. Below the search bar, you're going to tap on T-shirt. Once you have selected T-shirt, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Design, and for example, if we were to select Halloween, you can see different Halloween options that you can choose from. And you can use these for completely free, but I do recommend that you add your own personal touch. Keep in mind any one of the templates that you see with a crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that template. So for example's sake, let's say the template that we wanted to use is this one. After selecting the template, from there, if you would like to change the template style or color, you could tap on the current color that is there, and you can see these different options right here. So you could select any one of these colors, and you could also change the text for example's sake. So instead of it saying too cute to spook, you could change it to something else. So I'm just going to be changing it to simple answers just for example's sake. But I would recommend that you come up with a different catchphrase. And if you would like to add other elements to it, you could go over to the left hand menu, options, select elements, and from there you could type in Halloween for example's sake, and you can see different elements by selecting graphics. You could select different elements real quick that you can also add. So for example, let's say I were to add this. So I'll add it right there in the top corner, and I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to be adding it in this bottom corner right here. After you're finished doing that, you will tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download, then you're going to tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you'll go back into Printify, and from there we're just going to be selecting, for example's sake, let's say we were to select women's sweatshirt. After doing that, I'm going to select the best seller. And by the way, when it comes onto Printify, you can also choose your target market. So for example, let's say the persons that you're planning to sell your sweatshirts are not located in the United States. You can also sell it to persons in Canada, United Kingdom, anywhere in Europe, Australia, China, or you can select all market. And the reason why you would select a particular target market is to increase the delivery speed. So it all depends, as you can see right here, the different shipping rates, and you can see the fastest delivery time for US orders only, as you can see there. So you can select that. Then you're going to tap on start designing, and you're going to tap on upload in the top left hand corner, then select my device, and we're just going to be selecting our design right here. And you're going to see how our design looks. You can see that it has been added. So we can move it around, or if you would like to pull on the edges and increase the size a bit, you can do that also. And you can choose to add it to the front side and the back side if you want, but we're just going to be adding it to the front of our sweatshirt only. Then we'll tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on save, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can select the mockups that you would like to use. So you can see different mockup options, as you can see right here. So there are numerous mockups that you can select from, and you can tap on the mockups that you would like to use. So I'll be selecting these mockups. Then after selecting the mockups, you're going to tap on save collection, or save selection better yet. After you have tapped on save selection, you can see it right there, and you can scroll down and you could edit your product title and description. You could also scroll down, and from there you can edit the price that you would like to sell it for. Automatically it will be listed for $35, and this will allow you to make a profit of 40%, which will be $14. So you can see that it is good money per sale. And you'll tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, you're just going to give it a few seconds while your product is being pushed to your store. Once the item has been published, just like other products that I've done on Printify on other print on demand platforms, it will be added just like this. So for example, if I were to tap on this listing for example's sake, you will see your title added, and you'll also see the mockup images. And you can scroll down, and if you like to change the thumbnail image, you can do that, and it will also automatically fill in the description that was on Printify on this platform. and it will also show the estimated profit. It will fill out all of the details, which is why it is so easy and recommended to do. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then from there, you'll tap on save and continue once more. After doing that, you can fill out how you'll get paid. So you can fill in your banking details. And once you have filled in your banking details, you'll tap on save and continue. And then from there, you can share your billing info, and that's it. And you'll be able to list your product and start making money. And one of the major standout features when it comes onto Etsy is otherwise, from the numerous millions of visitors that they are getting, a lot of persons tend to go onto Etsy and search for things. So, for example, they'll tap on the search bar and they will type in Halloween t-shirts or so on. So, there's a high probability, if you know how to do marketing and use the Etsy tags properly, that you'll be able to get organic traffic. But I do recommend that you also use their advertisement to boost up your listing. So it is going to cost you a bit of money before you'll be able to start making money on Etsy. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.